Back we go. It is Thursday. What is it? November 4th now. The months are flying by. This week is almost over. Tomorrow, end of the stock market week, and taking a look at some different stocks, swing trading, day trading, different moves. I did a video on this. Progenity Incorporated. You can see the move up here. It was 14 plus back in July of 2020. Went down, sideways, went down, bounced, and then formed this big wedge. And it came up after all that. It was a very small move, 2 to 4 almost, and then down it went again below this $1 level. Had a nice gap here, and then look what happened. The volume you can see here, the volume compared to all these past months was a little bit bigger. Then it got to this one level. It didn't do much. It faded, and right here, that is the candle that set it off. This was on September 29th. Put in 21 million. Got like right in the middle of this gap, and there it went up, came down. Where did it touch? 1320 EMA. And why why is that support all the time? Because traders, you have to look at something. This isn't really rocket science. Where's the support going to be? You need indicators. Everyone's looking at the same indicators. 1320 EMA are very popular, non-EMA. And look, it came down, bounced up, went sideways, went up again, came back to the 13 EMA. You're very strong 13 over 20 EMA. Remember that. When your 13s over your 20, a move's not going to go straight down. It has to at least give time for a move down. See, look at this. When this was up here, okay, it's going down, but give it time. But look what happened. It eventually did fade. This didn't. It touched, bounced again right here. Look where that hammer candle bounced at 3. And look at this. Big candle today. Going on the 5-minute after hours. This thing's at 383. On the weekly, you can see this, the roller coaster down, very oversold here. You're above your EMAs. You look like you're going to cross 13 over 20 EMAs, very bullish. You have the 4 level right here, 23.6 fibs on the monthly. Excuse me. Just trying to form now because this is a relatively new stock. Now, what's going to happen with this? This has been on fire. Traders all over this. The 4 levels next. I don't see why we can't at least touch that. Maybe it's going to spike up or get into that area. What else? You have the 4 level. You have the 5, 6, 38.6 fibs level. Looking back here, I'm just trying to see what would be a next level. Well, you have 4. This 5 level looks big. Then anywhere 6 to 7 would be a high level. Look for this 4 to 5 immediately and see if this pattern continues. Look at this. Up, down. It's bouncing. Next move up, and it comes down. It pulls back. Every time it keeps pulling back, it's to the 1320 EMA. My stop right now would be probably about 3. You can make it a little bit higher, but that would be, the ultimate stop. If it goes there, I'd like to see what happens after that. 559 million market cap. 20% insiders, and it's very good. 69% institutions own this. It's really strong. I don't see a float on Finviz for some reason. Progenity announces appointment of Jill Howe to its board of directors. That was popping this. Yeah, Finviz, not Finviz. StockTwits is like immediately scrolling. People are just talking about this. That's really good news. Progenity offers nothing that dozens of other biotechs don't as investors place. And what do they do? It provides about commercialized testing, commercialized products in the United States for pregnancy for women, such as Down syndrome, etc. Headquartered in San Diego, 2010. They have a PGN 001, PGN 300, PGN 600, PGN OB2. They have a lot going on here. So this is, not just a one-trick pony stock. And so it looks pretty good here. As far as, technically, this thing's moving up. It's a strong move up. That's what you want on wedges. You want a nice move up. They don't always work that way. Heavy volume down here. So look for them levels at this point, and we'll see if we get 4 tomorrow, which I won't see why we wouldn't break 4 easily, unless they spike it and it really comes back hard. But 4 to this 7 range right in here. We'll see if we can get that next. And everything's looking good with this stock. The news continues, and traders are all over this. And technically, see this big wedge here? That was a very small move. This is not as big, and it's making a nice move up. So, steady stair steps. Look at this right here, like a snake up and down, and it is rolling back up, slithering back up. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments below. Any information on this stock's good too. And 22% was up today. Really strong. I'm proud. All right, that's it. Peace.